Look at this picture.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Just her like tummy.
Come on, sweetheart. Let's go play in the snow. You look so pretty.
No.
Snow, that's right. Where's Dad? Grandpa's getting the tarp ready. Come on. Oh, good job. Look. Look, Grandpa's going to pull you around. It's going to be like a ride.
I'll have her sit down on there.
Come here.
And I'll give her a pull.
You ready? Sit. Sit.
Sit down.
Sit.
Sit down.
Sit down. No. Here, Mama will sit with you. Come on.
No.
No? Are you sure? Do you not even want to try it?
No.
I think maybe you'll just have to watch Daddy do it once. Look. Don't you want to sit and Grandpa will pull you?
Just sit on here.
No.
Okay.
Where's Dad?
He's down here, I think.
Let's go find Dad.
My dad.
Yeah, let's find Dad.
And we'll just take it over there in case we can convince her.
Fun. What's Grandpa doing, huh?
Oh no.
I don't know.
Look at Papa. Look at Papa.
Do you hear that doggy? Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty.
Look at Papa.
Yeah, hi, Grandpa. There's Dad. There's Dad. He's all the way over there with the doggies. Look, there's Emerson. Emerson's a little squirrely. You're so cute. Is this your first time in the snow?
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dada.
Look at Kong. Kong's playing.
Wow.
Come on. Uh-oh. Hi, Emerson. Hi, Emerson. Oh, Emerson is dangerous, huh? Look at her. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Hi. Come on. Let's see if we can get you to sled, huh? Can you see? Uh-oh. Come on.
No.
Come on. It's okay.
Get her, Lola. Get her. Get her. Hey, get her. Lola. Hey, quiet down. Quiet down. Hey.
Enough.
They've been running like crazy.
Yeah.
They'll be worn out after.
You want me to hold your ball? Uh-oh, there's your ball.
Beat her up. Emerson, get her. Emerson, get her.
You got it? Here, let Mama help you. Let Mama help you.
There, that'll teach you to bark.
Oh, okay. Let her go. Lola likes to run. Oh, look, she spun out.
Crap, that's cold.
Emerson!
Can I put this in your pocket?
Kill!
Get her.
I put it in your pocket. Are you playing with the snow now? Snowball!
Wow.
Snowball!
He's throwing like a half an hour today. Hi, Stella. How's Mom doing?
Stella, here's your first snowball.
Oh, she's Auntie Gretchen.
Stella has a mind of her own, I can tell. How come they're not compacting? Not wet enough?
Yeah, not wet
I need
enough.
a spray bottle.
Yeah.
When it's cold enough, it just is nice and dry.
Little sister, she panicked. what I do around the house with her. Pick it up.
Yeah, exactly. Lola's like, oh, now I don't like this because I'm not in charge, right? She's like, I like to be the one that's barking.
Here, Stella, I got a big one. Lola like her new home. Kong Raptor. Yeah.
I mean, she's been there for a while, pretty much.
I see her go out and try to ride something.
Uh-oh.
Hurry up, Lola, hurry up.
Oh, you fell.
I fell.
You fell. You're doing a good job.
For you. Here's one made for you.
Yay!
Thank you.
Snowball, say thank you, Sam.
Here, should I drop it on you?
Honey.
I'm a jerk.
It's okay.
I was like trying to like sprinkle it on her, and of course she looks up at me and it just goes straight in her eyeball.
Oh, yeah.
Gretchen's a jerk.
Thank you.
Good selling point.
Oh, thanks. That's nice.
He knew how
Right on my thin yoga pants.
to change everything around. I don't remember.
Oh, that's, yeah. Oh, that's nice. I think Emerson is on crack. Is on crack.
Hey! Carolyn.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, all that noise.
You're noisy. It's time for a nap.
Quit barking.
Are you taking a movie?
Yeah. You're so cute. Look at Daddy. Daddy's being silly.
What else?
She's so cute.
We like to run the belly option.
You ready to get on?
Get on here!
Sit down. Take a seat. Take a seat. Take a seat. No, you sit down. No, over there. Put her down over there.
You're gonna pull her?
Okay, sit down. Sit down. Oh my God, fun. Oh boy, we. Oh boy. Wait, well, good father I'd be, wouldn't I?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can turn.
This is the white trash sledding.
This is a good neighborhood for white trash sledding. I'm sure the association loves it.
I know, they're going to
My
come out
clothes
with
don't
it.
match. I'm embarrassed, Mom. My clothes don't match.
The ordinance of, they're going to come out with an ordinance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No sledding
Violated.
on brown tarp. You must use
We don't have a
regular
sled. I
sledding
used to have one.
apparatus.
I'm sure
Must
they
use
have.
fancy sled. Expensive fancy sled.
Where'd Lola go?
Want me to pull her?
Lola's right there.
Whoa!
Ready?
Are you whoop?
She's giggling.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Wow.
Sledding she should do.
So you're an essential. Where'd she go? Gretchen's an essential employee, so she'd have to work today if she was on.
Yeah, she worked last night. Oh yeah.
Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Wow. Oh, you're poor, but you are covered in snow. Are you getting cold yet?
Right here, this stuff.
So this is the only time you get to play out in the middle of the street, okay?
Yeah.
This is not normal. Do you like snow? Do you like your first snow?
Angel.
You like your first snow?
Oh boy. Has she seen snow before? What remember it?
No. This is her first time. Do you like it, Stella?
I think so.
You like it?
Oh my god!
They're like full speed.
Look out, look out.
Up we go. Up we go. Oh. Up we go. Stand up. There we go. Oh.
I think she wants to be back.
Okay.
Hi.
So cute. What do you think of the snow?
It's beautiful.
Stella, do you think it's beautiful?
What's that? Two mailmen crossing intersection. Oh yeah. Probably doing the same thing.
Dude, Kong's gonna need like
Kong!
a nap.
Lola!
Lulu, leave the mailman alone.
Come on! Come on, Lola! Come on! Come on! Come on, Lola! Lola!
Poor mailman.
Hey!
She's so cute.
Emerson! Lola!
Lulu!
Emerson, come! 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 Good girl! Good girl! Hey, I got a treat, baby. See what I got in my pocket. Here's a few treats. Here's one for you.
Oh, watch your
One for
hand
you.
with Mr.
Here,
Kong.
Kong! You can catch it.
Yeah.
There it is. That's all I have in my pocket. This side. Just check this. Come on, Lola! Maybe I have a Cheerio. Look at this, Kong. Look, there's a treat here.
There's treats. You're too busy for treats, Mr. Kong?
Hey, come. Lola, here. Lola.
Yeah. She's so cute.
When you go to school, Stella, in the fall?
No, probably she's turning 2 on the 28th, so she still has another year before preschool.
And you had one wedding so far.
Yeah, one wedding so far,
Pretty good.
and then March, and then it kind of kicks off from there.
Yeah.
So
A lot of babysitting on Craig's part.
What?
not
A
really.
lot of babysitting. No,
Come on, Lola.
She gets sent up to Oma's house quite a bit.
you're still there. No, not
Yeah.
yet.
Yep.
Did they have snow there today or not?
I think they may have gotten a little bit, not as much as we got down here though. So
There's somebody cross-country skiing.
that's fancy. Stella, are you having fun?
You want to build a snowman?
She's gonna be so cold. You're gonna need a warm bath after this, huh?
Teasdales are putting their house on the market this summer.
Who?
Teasdales, yeah.
Are they really?
Yeah, she told me.
Those people over there?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, that's a their
Do they have a new
house
place?
is beautiful.
No. Southwest, though, where she wants to live.
You're going to downsize?
Yeah, but the daughter's moving in. Clara? No.
Yeah.
Maria?
I don't know.
Ida?
I mean, they
I
have
think
Could be
three.
Ida.
And I think it's the one that lives away with the dog. I think she has a dog.
You too.
Still recording?
Yeah, you're a sexy man beast, Craig. Did you know that?
You want me to say dirty things on your video?
No, I don't.
Okay, 'cause I can spice up your video if you want.
No, don't spice up my video. Why don't you go say something nice to your daughter?
Hey Stella, you're cute.
She's like, I know that. Hi, Congo. Are you having fun? I like your sweater. You look handsome.
Here, can you get a picture of us?
Yep.
Yeah.